So today we will learn about the angles on parallel lines when a transversal passes through it. So when we have two parallel lines, line A and line B, we will let a transversal C pass through it. And we will get 8 angles. Angle 1, angle 2, angle 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So these are the 8 angles that we will get when a transversal passes through two parallel lines. So now we will learn how are these angles connected and what are they called. Okay, so let us start with the first angle. The first type of angle is corresponding angles. Okay, or we can also call it as angle skip angle. Now why is it called as angle skip angle? And they will be always on one side of the transversal. So we call it as angle skip angle because we take number 1, we skip 2 and we come to 5. So what are the corresponding angles? Angle 1 and angle 5 are corresponding angles. And they are always equal. Angle 1 is always equal to angle 5. The same way, when we take 2, we skip 5 and we take 6. So that is angle 2 and angle 6. Okay, so that means angle 2 is equal to angle 6. Okay, and now on the other side of the transversal. Which are the angles on the other side of the transversal? 4, 3, 8 and 7. Now, as we go angle skip angle, if we are taking 4, skip 3 and go to angle 8. So that is angle 4 and angle 8. So angle 4 is equal to angle 8. Always. Okay. Then the fourth pair is 3, skip 8, 7. So it is angle 3 and angle 7. So angle 3 is always equal to angle 7. Okay. So these are the pair of corresponding angles, or you can say angle skip angle, a easy way to learn. Angle skip angle. Angle skip angle. 1 skip 2, 5. 2 skip 5, 6. 4 skip 3, 8. 3 skip 8, 7. So 1 is equal to 5, 2 is equal to 6, 4 is equal to 8 and 3 is equal to 7. So these are the 4 pairs of corresponding angles. Now, okay, so the second type of angle is alternate interior angles. Okay, now when I say interior angles, what do you mean by interior angles? First of all, let's understand that. Interior angles are the ones which are inside the transversal. Okay, which are inside. In between the two parallel lines, these 4 angles form are known as interior angles because they are in the inside of it. So which are the 4 angles that are interior angles? Angle 3, angle 2, angle 8 and angle 5. Now there is an easy way to remember about these angles too. Right? So now say, let's say this is alternate interior angles. So when I say alternate, if I am considering 3, 2, 5, 8. So after 3, what is the alternate angle? Angle 5. And after 2, which is the alternate angle? Angle. After 2, which is the alternate angle? Angle 8. So angle 3 and angle 5 are a pair of alternate interior angles. And angle 2 and angle 8 is the second pair of alternate interior angles. So angle 3 is always equal to angle 5 and angle 2 is always equal to angle 8. So here we have 2 pairs of alternate interior angles. Okay, but the easy way to remember is 3, which is the alternate angle after that, 5. 2, the alternate angle after that is 8. If we are sitting in a circle, this is 3, 2, 5, 8. So after 3, which is the alternate number? 5. After 2, which is the alternate number? 8. So 3 and 5 are equal and 2 and 8 are equal. Okay? Now the third type of angle is alternate exterior angles. Okay? So now when we say interior angles, I said they were inside the parallel lines. So now what will be the four exterior angles? Four exterior angles will be angle 4, angle 1, angle 7 and angle 6. Okay? So these are the four exterior angles. Now what are the four exterior angles are? Now see, as we said for the interior also, same way goes for exterior. 4, 1, 6, 7. So 4, skip 1 and go to 6. So alternate numbers. You have to take 4, then the next alternate number is angle 6. So angle 4 and angle 6 is a pair of exterior alternate angles. Same way, angle 1 and angle 7 is another pair of exterior angles. So here angle 4 is equal to angle 6 and angle 1 is equal to angle 7. So we also have, same way like interior angles, we have two pairs of alternate exterior angles. Correct? Okay. This type of angle is consecutive interior angles. Or you can say that interior angles on the same side of transversal. So now which are the two angles which are interior angles on the same side of the transversal? Which are the two angles? 3 and 8. And if we see on the other side, it is 2 and 5. So now 3 and 8 is a pair of consecutive interior angles. And angle 2 and angle 5 is another pair of consecutive interior angles. And the total of these angles is always 180 degree. That is angle 3 plus angle 8 is always 180 degree. Or angle 2 plus angle 5 is always 180 degree. So we have two pairs of consecutive interior angles. Now we learn about the fifth type of angle. So the fifth type of angle is the consecutive exterior angles. Or again we can say that exterior angles on the same side of the transversal. So which are the four exterior angles? The four exterior angles are 4, 1, 6 and 7. Now on the same side of the transversal, which are the angles? 4 and 7. So 4 and 7 is one pair of consecutive exterior angle, and angle 1 and angle 6 is another pair of consecutive exterior angles. And again, their total is also always 180 degree. That is angle 4 plus angle 7 is 180 degree. That is angle 1 plus angle 6 is also 180 degree. Right? So this was the fifth type of angle. Now let us see which is the sixth type of angle, which is formed on the parallel when a transversal passes through it. The sixth type of angle is the vertically opposite angle. Okay, which are vertically opposite angles? Angle 1 and angle 3. Angle 4 and angle 2. Angle 5 and angle 7. angles, and they are always equal. Angle 1 is equal to angle 3, angle 5 is equal to angle 7, angle 4 is equal to angle 2, angle 8 is equal to angle 6. So these are the 4 pairs of vertically opposite angles. The 7th type of angle is the linear pair angles. Now what are linear pair angles? Linear pair angles are angles formed on a straight line. Angles which are formed on a straight line. So when I say straight line, it is always 180 degree. So if I have to add these two, the sum will be always 180 degree. So angles formed on a same line, those pairs of angles are known as linear pair angles. So here, when in the parallel lines, when a transversal is passing by, we will get 8 pairs of linear pair angles. Okay, we will get 8 pairs of linear pair angles. That is angle 1 and angle 4, angle 4 and angle 3, angle 3 and angle 2, and angle 2 and angle 1. This is the first part. Now the second one is angle 8 and angle 5, angle 5 and angle 6, angle 6 and angle 7, and angle 7 and angle 8. These are the 8 pairs of linear pair angles. Now when I say linear pair angles, means the total of these angles will be always 180 degree. If I add 1 and 4, it will be 180 degree. This all the sum of all these angles will be 180 degree because they are linear pair. So these were the 7 types of angles which will form when there are 2 parallel lines and a transversal is passing through